You're here because you're wondering what is GoHighLevel and why is everybody talking about it? Well, the good news is I've spent the past 4 years using this platform inside of my own businesses. And look, I get it. When I first discovered GoHighLevel, I was confused too. Is it a CRM? Is it a marketing tool? Is it some sort of website builder? And the truth is, it's actually all of these things and more. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what GoHighLevel is, why business owners are flocking to it worldwide, and how it might be the solution you've been looking for. I'll break down the 3 different plans. I'll show you real examples of how businesses are using it, and I'll even reveal an interesting opportunity that most people completely miss. But first, let me explain why so many businesses are struggling with the exact problem that GoHighLevel was designed to solve. So if you're running a business today, you know the painful truth. You need multiple different pieces of software tools just to keep everything running. You've got email marketing platforms over here, you've got appointment scheduling over there, then you've got your CRM somewhere else, and then there's your text messaging service, your landing page builder, your funnel software, and before you know it, you're juggling over 10 different logins and watching thousands of dollars fly out of your account every single month. But the cost isn't even the worst part. The real nightmare happens when these systems don't talk to each other. A potential customer fills in a contact form, then you have to manually add them to an email list and then create a task to follow up. Then remember to send them a proposal, and all of this stuff is exhausting. And the crazy part is, most small business owners waste over 6 hours every single week on tasks that should be automated. And that's exactly the problem that GoHighLevel was designed to solve. So what exactly is GoHighLevel? At its core, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one business platform that combines every tool a business needs into a single unified system. Think of it as an operating system for your entire business, which includes a complete CRM to manage all of your contacts and customer interaction, email marketing with automation sequences, text message marketing and two-way conversations so that you can talk to your customers in real time, website and landing page building so that you have an online presence, appointment scheduling to manage meetings and customer appointments, digital form creation to easily collect your customers' contact information, reputation management so you can build your online presence by getting positive reviews online, and there's a whole bunch more, including a whole lot of different marketing capabilities. But here's what makes GoHighLevel different from pretty much every other tool out there. Everything is truly connected. When a lead comes into your website form, they're automatically added to your CRM. They're tagged based on their interest, enrolled in the right email sequence, and then sent a text message, and a task is created for your team to follow up, all instantly, without you lifting a finger or even needing to be there. But rather than just tell you what it does, let me show you how a real business uses GoHighLevel to eliminate the chaos and grow faster. Meet James. James runs a local home service business, and before GoHighLevel, his process was an absolute mess. So here's the 3-part system that he implemented that made things super easy and changed absolutely everything for his business. Part 1, James connected his website forms directly to GoHighLevel. Now when someone requests a quote, the information flows automatically into his system. They're instantly tagged as a new quote request, and then they're assigned to the right team member based on their location. Part 2, the customers are instantly engaged. Within seconds of someone submitting a form, GoHighLevel automatically sends them a text message filling in personal information like their name and the specific service that they're wanting done. Part 3, if James or his team didn't make contact within 4 hours, GoHighLevel would automatically send a follow-up email with some helpful information and booking option. If there's still no response after 24 hours, the system sends another text message and then creates a high priority task for personal follow-up. The result? Well, now James converts 62% of his leads into appointments, up from just 28% before. Not because he's getting more leads, but because he's properly managing the ones he already has. So let's explore the pricing. GoHighLevel offers 3 different plans. So the first one, the $97 plan, which is perfect for solo entrepreneurs and small businesses who want to manage their operations more effectively. And then there's the unlimited plan, which is the $297 plan. This is designed for agencies and businesses who have multiple brands and locations. You can create multiple sub-accounts, which is basically business accounts, and you also get access to a couple of extra things like split testing, which allows you the ability to be able to see if one thing performs better than the other. For example, maybe you want to send 2 different emails or text messages to see which one performs better. Maybe one performs 20% better, and as a result of that, you can make a whole bunch more money. By the way, on GoHighLevel's website, there's a 14-day free trial, but if you use the link in my description below, you actually get an extended 30-day free trial, so you can try everything out for even longer without spending a cent. You'll also get a whole bunch of goodies to help you get set up even faster, and you'll even be able to copy and paste a whole bunch of systems so that you don't have to second guess how to get everything going. Definitely make sure you check out the link below. Okay, and then there's the next plan, the $497 per month. This includes everything in the previous plans, plus plus the ability to white label the entire platform as your own software, which opens up a fascinating opportunity that I'll explain in just a moment. But first, let me walk you through the 4 insane capabilities that separates GoHighLevel from your typical CRM. First, GoHighLevel lets you communicate with your customers through their preferred channel, whether that's email, text messages, voice messages, or maybe even Facebook messages. You can do all of that all from one inbox. If you want to know how crazy this is, one restaurant owner told me that back during the time when a big sickness was circling around the world, this literally saved her business because she could instantly text all of her customers about new hours, send email updates about delivery options, and even respond to questions in real time from one single dashboard. If she wasn't using GoHighLevel, this would have been spread all over the place, and this could have very well sent her straight out of business. Pretty crazy, right? So let's move on to number 2, Intelligent Automation Builder. This is where the magic happens. Using a simple visual builder, you can create workflows that run your business 24/7. For example, when someone books an appointment, the system can automatically send confirmation emails, text message reminders the day before, request a review afterwards, and then even trigger a win-back sequence if they haven't returned within 60 days, all without you having to lift a finger or remembering to do any of this. But that's not all, because number 3 is unified customer data. Everything you need to know about a customer, their contact information, their appointment history, their conversation logs, purchases, form submission, lives in one profile. This gives you a complete view of every relationship and prevents important information from getting lost between systems. For example, a therapist using GoHighLevel shared that this feature transformed her practice. She can see a client's entire history, including past appointment notes, payment status, and communication preferences, all before the session even begins. And this has allowed her to provide a more personal experience to each and every single person that she helps. And then there's 4, business growth tools beyond just managing existing customers. You see, GoHighLevel also includes other tools to actively grow your business. You've got reputation management to generate more reviews online. You've got pipeline tracking to visualize your sales process. And you've even got a scheduling system inside of there that integrates to your existing calendars now. But here's where GoHighLevel gets really interesting. You see, most people see GoHighLevel as just a tool to run their own business, but there's actually a hidden opportunity that's creating a new generation of software entrepreneurs. You see, with the Agency Pro plan, which is the $497 plan, you can actually completely white label GoHighLevel as your own software with your own logo, colors, and even domain names, so that when people want to log into their platform, it's actually your website that they're going to. This means you can essentially own your own mini GoHighLevel and offer it to other businesses as a service. For example, Mark, a digital marketer, discovered this opportunity last year, and instead of offering marketing services to local businesses, he created his own marketing platform, which is actually GoHighLevel behind the scenes. He then approached local service businesses like plumbers, roofers, and dentists with a compelling offer, saying that I've developed a custom platform that will help automate your lead follow-up and client communication. If you're wondering where he's at now, well, now he has well over $16,000 in monthly recurring revenue, all with GoHighLevel handling all the technical infrastructure. And by the way, this offering with GoHighLevel isn't just a side note. You see, GoHighLevel even provides tools to help you succeed with this model. For example, the SaaS configurator, which helps you set up your own pricing plans so you can determine how much you want to charge your customers. It even handles automatic account creation so that your customers can get access to their platforms automatically without you even needing to be around. And it even manages payments so that payments are collected automatically month in, month out, so you don't have to go chasing. There's also the ability to create custom dashboards. And if you want, you can even include templated emails or text messages or websites or anything you really want. Seriously, you can actually customize basically everything. So that's what GoHighLevel is, a complete business platform that replaces dozens of disconnected tools, automates your customer journey, and even offers the opportunity to create your own branded software service. If you do want to try GoHighLevel and get an extended 30-day trial to access it, definitely use the link below and you'll get access to a whole bunch of training and even templates to help you get running as quickly as possible. By the way, this channel is dedicated to GoHighLevel and online business stuff, so if this interests you at all, definitely smash that follow button because I make content like this weekly. And hey, seeing as you're checking out this video, you definitely want to check this one out right here. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.